Good morning. Today we are going to see the DFT of the given sequence using radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm for unequal length, that is n equal to 7. So in this question they have given x of n equal to 1 for minus 3 to plus 3, which means the sequence is given as 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and the origin is represented here, which means it is x of minus 3, it is minus 2, it is x of minus 1, and this is x of 0, this is x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. But we know that for DFT or FFT, for solving FFT, for FFT problems sequence length n should be in terms of 2 power n. It should be in terms of 2 power n, which means n equal to 2, n equal to 4, n equal to 8, etc. So if the sequence is given with different length, now the length n is 7 here, but that also which is not from the origin. So now what we have to do, we have to convert the sequence length into 8 into n equal to 8. So now what will happen, x of n become 1 comma 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 0. So this is your origin. So now the length becomes 0, and also we know that FFT is periodic. So by applying periodic property, I am going to repeat the same sequence. So I am going to repeat the same sequence again. So the same sequence again means it is 1 comma 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 0 comma etc. So this is by periodic property. So now we have to solve the problem for n equal to 8, which means the FFT problem can be solved from origin to 8. Therefore we will take the value from origin to this. So now the sequence length become x of n, which is equal to 1 comma 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 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this is n equal to 8. So this is the required question. So we have to use this sequence for solving problem. So now you know this is, we have to use DIT method. So in DIT method it is bit reverse order, x0, this one is x1, this one is, okay, I will write the it is x2 and x4 and x6. Since we are going to use bit reverse order, so I will write this one is your odd sequence x1, x3 and x5, x7. So now bit reverse order used in the problem. So bit reverse order, what is bit reverse order? So which is nothing but x0, x4, So for the given sequence, the bit reverse order, this is a normal sequence x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7. Now this can be bit reverse order is x0. So it is x0. This one is x4, and this become x2, and this is x6. Sorry, x6, and this one is x1, x5, and x3, and x7. So this sequence is used in the problem, and also for 8-point problem, the Twiddle factors are W8 power 0, which is equal to 1, W8 power 1, 0.707 minus 0.707 I, W8 power 2, which is minus I, W8 power 3, minus 0.707 minus 0.707 I. So now with this we can start solving the problem. So now we will go for the DIT FFT algorithm. So I will write the input sequence in bit reverse order. So it is x0, it is 1, and x4 it is 0, x2 it is 1, x6 is 1. Then you have x1 1, x5 is 1, x3 is 1, and x7 equal to 1. So you can write the bit reverse order of the given sequences. Now I am going to directly use these lines for solving problems. So first we are going to take the 2-point, so solve 2-point, so that butterfly diagram. So first stage, and Twiddle factor here is 1, here also 1, this one is minus 1, this one is minus 1, and Twiddle factor 1. So now what will happen? 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 0 equal to 1, and here you will get it is just a minute, x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, correct. So now you will get here also it is 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is your stage 1 answer. Now with this answer we are moving to second stage. So the stage 2, we have to combine the lines. So I will put a dot lines, then use another dot line here. This is your stage 2. So stage 2, So combine the first and the third line, then complete this butterfly diagram. -1, and the Tudel factor is W8 power 0, which is 1. And then you have combined the second and fourth line, then -1. Tudel factor is W8 power 2, which is -I. Then again combine first and third line of second, then put -1, -1, and here it is W8 power 0, which is -I. Here W8 power 0 is 1, this is 2. So now this 1 will act as an input, so you have to take the line of first and third, so you will get 1 plus 2, which is 3, and 1 minus 2, which is -1. Then similarly you take the next, okay, so you will get 1 plus 0, so it is 1 plus 0, so it is 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. And then it is next 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, sorry, 2 plus 2 is 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. And 0 plus 0, so it is 0, and again it is 0. So you have to remember, when you solve during this problem, luckily we got here the value as 0. So when you multiply with this Tudel, you have to take that value as input here, so that value as 0 here, and this value is 2 and 0, and this is 2 input values. And you can connect this value after multiplying with the Tudel. It is here 0, 2, 1, 1. So now this is your stage 2 answer. So now the stage 2 answer will act as an input for the stage 3. Therefore, we will take stage 3 with dotted lines for stage 3. So we will give some more space because we have the Tudel factors are there. So now you have to use calculator required if required. So now this is for stage 3. So first and fifth line, then connect these two and put a -1 here. Then second and put -1. Then third, put a -1, and then put a -1. So here the Tudel factors are W8 power 3, which is minus 0.707 minus 0.707I. Here W8 power 2, which is -I. Here W8 power 1, which is 0.707 minus 0.707I. And here it is W8 power 0, which is 1. So now first multiply the stage 2 answers. Write the stage 2 answers as it is. So stage 2 answer here 3, here 1, here -1, here 1, and here after multiplying with these values. So if you multiply this, you will get here it is 4 only. And since this is 0 and this multiplied with 0 of this Tudel factor, you will get it is 0. And again here also you will get 0 multiplied with this Tudel, you will get it is 0, input as 0. And here also it is 0 multiplied with this will give 0. So now you have to go for the answer. So now 3 and 4 become 3 plus 4 is 7, and 3 minus 4 become minus 1, and 1 and you have 0, so it is 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Then you have minus 1 plus 0, so minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1, and you have minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. Then you have 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Therefore this is your answer. So you must write this is your capital X0 and x1 and x2 and x3 and x4 and x5, x6, x7. So we must write the final answer. So what is the final answer? Answer capital X of k, which is equal to the 7 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. So this is your required answer. This is your answer for this problem. So hope you understood this problem. Okay, so remember this here, luckily we got all the values are 0 with the Tudel multiplication. Otherwise you have to use complex multiplication using calculator. You need calculator, but for this problem there is no need of calculator. You can directly solve without calculator. Okay, thank you for watching.